Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'll be comparing two different Brazilian wool coils. On and on, I don't talk in my tutorial except I am doing a review video. But then I posted a video and I got some negative comments in the video. I actually made a headband wig using the new Brazilian wool. Let me just read out some of the negative comments. Someone said, "I am so offended by this. You show you used Brazilian wool and you used attachments." So she meant I used braid extension and lied it was Brazilian wool. Another person said, "This is real attachment, not Brazilian wool. Stop lying up and down." Oh my god, this is serious. Okay, let's just move on to today's task. I just felt like sharing what prompted me to do this video. I'll be coiling two different Brazilian wool like I said earlier. One is the normal Brazilian wool we all know, and the other is the new 3-in-1 Brazilian wool. So guys, firstly I'm going to start with what these wools have in common. They both can be coiled. You can use flat iron on them. They can be brushed. They are both lightweight, like they are not heavy at all. They are lighter than braid extension. The new Brazilian wool is shinier than the old one. The old Brazilian wool has a thicker strand, while the new one has a smooth brushed texture like braid extension. New Brazilian wool is smoother than the old one. So guys, let's just continue with the tutorial.
Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, you and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. 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 Behind my eyes, you stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, you and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. That we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd. And now I can't imagine me with anybody else, as we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
So guys, this is what the coils look like. The new Brazilian wood coil is looking like Hemekelian braid extension coil. The only difference is that it is lighter in weight than the normal braid extension. Then for the old one, old Brazilian wood coil is beautiful. It has no single roughness in it at all. Like the strands are so neat, no roughness. But both coils are actually beautiful. I'll be posting a full tutorial using these coils for a week very soon. So thank you so much for joining in today. I love you all so much. Bye.
As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.